What's up, everybody? It's Julio Franco, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Passive Income Breakthrough. In today's video, I want to show you how to make money online. Okay, one of the ways that I'm making money online. I know there's a lot of ways out there, especially online. There's a lot of ways that you can make money. Okay, on it. So all you have to do is just connect to Wi-Fi and open up your phone or your laptop, and you can access different ways of making money online from home. Okay, but I'm going to show you real quick one of the ways. Okay, as you can see, this is my Facebook channel. I am a real person. Okay, like I say, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Passive Income Breakthrough. And let's jump real quick to this presentation. Okay. All right. Let me see. Okay. All right. Now you're here because you want to learn how to make money online, okay? And like I said previously, there's a lot of ways to make money online. Okay, there's e-commerce, there's Shopify, there's MLM, there's drop shipping, there's all kinds of stuff. Okay, there's Amazon, there's hundreds of ways to make money online. But the way that I'm going to teach you today is one unique way where you don't have to worry about no inventory. You don't have to have the headache of messing with money and refunds and all that kind of stuff. All right. So you might be asking how to make money online. Okay. Now I'm about to show you the way that you can make money online with little to no investment. Okay. Now, if you stay to the end, um, what you're gonna get from me, like I said, my name is Julio Franco, and this is my YouTube channel, Passive Income Breakthrough. If you find any value, if you find good content in this video, do me a favor, give me thumbs up. Go ahead and ring the bell and get subscribed. Okay, subscribe to my channel so that way when I come out with new videos, new content, you'll be notified. All right, I appreciate you guys. So what you're gonna learn, I'm gonna teach you to get the 3 best sites to become an affiliate. Okay, uh, I'm gonna teach you how to choose the right niche. Okay, I'm also gonna teach you how to pick the right products. Okay, and I'm gonna give away my best traffic source. And on top of that, I'm gonna give away my free funnel. Yes, you heard that right. You're gonna get my free funnel so you can put it to work as soon as you finish watching this video. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get into. Stay to the end, guys. Okay, so you might be thinking, what is the best way to make money online? Okay, and to me, the best way to make money online is affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, for 3 simple reasons. Because you can join, you can promote, and you can earn. Okay, that simple. And like I said before, you don't have to worry about the products, inventory, and even about the headache about refunds and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so how to do affiliate marketing? Pretty simple. Okay, and you might be asking, what makes this different than uh, any other way of making money online? And I'm gonna say it one more time. Two things that I like about it. I don't have to carry inventory, and I don't have to worry about the headache and payments and all that kind of stuff. That what makes uh, this this way of making money so different from any other ways. Okay, give me a second. All right, so you might be wondering, how do I get started? Okay, it's pretty simple. I'm going to show you, like I said, those 3 different networks where you're going to be able to join and be an affiliate. And I'm also going to show you how to find products. Okay, how to promote those products, how to track the sales, and how to earn commissions. Okay, so what's my goal? My goal by the end of this video, is for you to catch uh, golden nuggets that I'm going to give you. And not only that, you can go ahead and watch this video and go and implement it yourself. Okay, there's 2 different ways. Number one, you can go ahead and grab a link from those networks that I'm about to show you and paste it on Facebook, Instagram, and any other platforms that you're out there. Okay, any social media platform that you're in. So that's number one. That's way number one that you can do it. Okay, but I really want you to become an affiliate marketing champ. And for you to become an affiliate marketing champ, you're gonna do this way number two, which is, okay, You're gonna find traffic. You're gonna have a squeeze page. You're gonna have an opt-in page, okay? And people that opt into your page, they're gonna be sent to this first email or to the offer, and then after that, you're gonna have a, a series of email sequence that you're gonna send out, okay? So you must be thinking, Julio, what the heck are you talking about? I have no idea. If you're new, you must be thinking, ah, man, this is hard. This is not for me. I'm not going to be able to do this. Trust me. Yes, you will. It is a lot simpler than what it seems, okay? Now, for most of you that have been in online marketers and have a little bit of experience, but you haven't had any good results, yes, stick with me. Stay until the end because I got a surprise for you that I want to share, okay? Now, everybody knows that if you want to make money online, you have to invest in tools, okay? That's rule number one. There's no way that you're gonna make money online without investing money. There's no way. Another thing, this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? This is not a magical button. This is not a hocus pocus um course. No, nothing like that, okay? So, okay, give me a second. Okay, like I was saying, you need the tools. And the tools that I used to do or I used to use were ClickFunnels and GetResponse. And ClickFunnels has been there out there for the longest. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with ClickFunnels, and I'm pretty sure you're familiar with GetResponse. Now you may be asking why? Why do I need those tools? Okay, easy. So whenever you promote products, you need a landing page, a capture page, a opt-in page. That's what people call, okay, which is this right here. You need that so that way you can collect that person's email, okay? When you collect that email, you send them to your offer. Once the person sees that offer, it's a 50-50 chance he might buy your offer. He might not, but he's added to your list. So that's the reason why you need a come on. That's the reason why you need ClickFunnels and you need an autoresponder. Okay, there's a lot of autoresponders and there's a lot of platforms where you can build funnels. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the platform that I'm using. Okay, these are the platforms that I used to use back in the days. Okay, I used to spend over 130, $140 just with these two platforms combined. Okay, combined together. So I started with this new platform and I tried it out for 30 days. Okay, I tried it out for 30 days and it only cost me $1. Yes, you heard me right. Only $1 to try it out. Now I'm gonna take you to show you what platform that I'm using and that I'm creating consistent income from home. Okay, using this tool and promoting products. Okay, so check it out. Let me go ahead and do this and bring you here. Mistaken. All right. So what you're gonna get with this platform right here, okay? This platform is called Builderall, and as you can see right here, with the 30-day trial for just $1, you're gonna get everything that you see in here. You're gonna get a Cheetah website builder, funnel builder, e-commerce, Magneto, WordPress integration, Cheetah builder, webinar, e-learning, app builder, directory builder, booking builder, builder WhatsApp, automation tool, mailing blast autoresponder. Look, you don't have to pay for a autoresponder. It's included right here. This is what sold me, guys. After I tried it out for 30 days, I mean, it's $1 to try it out for 30 days. I mean, you have nothing to lose except $1. But you get to try and play with everything right here. I mean, they got a custom email messenger chatbot, okay? They got a Telegram, they got SMS messaging, okay? They got a script generator, they got a URL shortener, they got VA access, social auto post app, Instagram autoresponder. I mean, they got so many stuff, guys. For $1, I mean, you get to play with this for 30 days. If you like it, I don't know. I guarantee you that you're gonna spend less than $100 and you're gonna get the benefits for all this. But like I said, don't hold my word for it. Go ahead and try it out for just $1, And after the 30 days are up, you get to make a decision if you want to stick with this or not. But I'll tell you what, if you try it out today, if you go ahead and do the dollar trial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my funnel, okay? So you can go ahead and get started with promoting any products that you can find in those three affiliate networks that I told you that I'm about to show you where you need to go, so you can go ahead and promote those products, and then you can go ahead and create a funnel, all kinds of stuff. So you're not gonna be by yourself. You're not gonna do this by yourself, okay? I'm gonna be showing you. You're gonna be over the shoulder. I'm gonna show you what to do and this and that, okay? But also keep in mind that if you grab this today, okay, I'm also gonna go ahead and let you have my 7 day uh free course, okay? Yes, it's a 7 day affiliate marketing course that I'm giving away for free when you get signed up to this platform, okay? So guys, I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty pumped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it up to here. Make sure you stay tuned for video number 2, because I'm gonna start on video number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing what I told you, which it was let me see, this right here, okay? I'm going to show you this part right here. I'm going to start where you're going to go ahead and get those 3 best sites to become an affiliate. I'm going to show you where to get the perfect niche, picking the right product, best traffic, and also my free funnel, okay? So I don't want to make this video any longer, but go ahead. If you sign up today with me, like I said, you're going to get access to my 7 day affiliate course. It's totally free once you sign up. And also, don't forget to jump on video 2, which is the continuing for part 1, which is this, okay? Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. God bless. I'll see you on the second video.